This is the Chinese egg fuyung recipe. Some shrimp, 4 large egg, and then the sauce, shallot, bean sprout, chives, and some spring onion, and salt and pepper. We need to blanch all the ingredients first. We blanch the shrimp first for 20 seconds. Bean sprout, chives, and shallot. So mix together and put some salt and black pepper. Make the sauce. Then we put now egg fuyung.